Welcome to today's episode of Podcast English, Master Accents Through Real Conversations. In this video, we'll explore how listening to real people talk can transform your English fluency. Forget boring textbooks, this is English as it's truly spoken. We'll help you train your ears, sharpen your pronunciation, and understand native speakers better. Let's begin with the big question, why accents matter in English? English isn't one single sound, it's a mix of voices, rhythms, and cultures. A Londoner sounds different from someone in New York. And an Australian speaker sounds different again. If you understand these differences, you'll never feel lost in a conversation. Real conversations are your best teachers. When you listen to podcasts, you hear natural rhythm, stress, and emotion. You notice how words connect and how sounds blend together. This is something you can't learn from grammar books. It's real-life communication. That's why we say, master English through real talk. Podcasts give you unlimited exposure to authentic voices. You can learn from interviews, stories, and casual chats. Every accent tells a story about where someone is from. British English often sounds formal and melodic. American English feels confident and smooth. Australian English is playful and relaxed. And each accent helps you understand different parts of the English-speaking world. But don't just listen, imitate. Try to repeat what you hear, line by line. This is called shadowing. Shadowing trains your mouth to move like a native speaker's. It builds rhythm, flow, and natural pronunciation. You'll notice your accent improving in just a few weeks. The more you shadow, the more fluent you sound. It's like singing along to the music of English. You don't just learn new words, you learn how they are used. You hear idioms, slang, and natural phrases. And that's how you sound truly fluent. Real conversations also teach you tone and emotion. You'll feel when someone is joking, serious, or surprised. That emotional sense makes your English feel alive. The key is consistency. Listen to English podcasts every day. Even 10 minutes can make a big difference. Choose topics you love, travel, tech, music, or culture. The more interested you are, the faster you'll learn. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Focus on the meaning and rhythm. Over time, your brain adapts automatically. You'll start recognizing words you never studied. You'll start speaking without translating in your head. That's true fluency. When you master accents, you master connection. Because English isn't just about words, it's about people. Understanding accents means understanding real humans. Their culture, their stories, their way of thinking. That's what makes language beautiful. Let's talk about practical steps you can take today. Step 1. Choose a podcast with native speakers. Step 2. Listen actively, not passively. Don't just play it in the background, focus and repeat. Step 3. Write down new phrases you hear. Step 4. Practice speaking them out loud. Step 5. Record your own voice and compare. You'll be amazed at how quickly you improve. You'll notice smoother pronunciation. You'll catch subtle accent differences. You'll build confidence in real situations. Remember, English isn't just learned, it's lived. Every podcast episode is a small adventure. You travel to new places through voices. You meet people through their stories. You start thinking in English. That's the secret behind real progress. Don't fear accents, embrace them. Every accent adds richness to your understanding. British, American, Canadian, Australian, all valuable. You don't need to sound perfect. You just need to sound natural. Native speakers don't sound identical either. So don't try to erase your accent, make it clear and confident. People respect authenticity. Your goal is communication, not perfection. The more real you sound, the more people connect with you. Remember, listening leads to speaking. The more you listen, the better you speak. Podcasts train your ears for real conversations. And when you speak, your brain recalls those rhythms. Soon, you'll surprise yourself. You'll respond naturally, without hesitation. You'll sound fluent and confident. That's the power of learning through real talk. So keep listening, keep repeating, and keep improving. English is a journey, enjoy every step of it. Every voice you hear adds to your learning. Every conversation you shadow sharpens your accent. Every podcast you finish brings you closer to fluency. Stay curious. Stay consistent. Stay motivated. This is your time to master English through real conversations. Thank you for joining us today. Subscribe for more accent training and real English practice. And remember, real talk means real progress.